RailTel Corporation of India Limited has received an estimated 32.74 crore rupees letter of acceptance (LOA) from North Central Railway for railway signalling work across 14 stations in the Prayagraj division. The company disclosed the development in a regulatory filing on July 23, 2026. India has successfully conducted the maiden flight test of the Kusha Long Range Surface to Air Missile (LRSAM), marking a significant milestone in the country's indigenous air defense capabilities. The flight test was conducted from the APJ Abdul Kalam Island off the coast of Odisha. NHPC Limited, a state-run hydropower unit, has stated that it deeply mourns the tragic loss of 25 precious lives in this unfortunate incident and extends its heartfelt condolences to the bereaved families. The company stands firmly with the families during this difficult time and is committed to extending all possible support to them. Western Coalfields Limited has partnered with IIM Nagpur to strengthen leadership capabilities among its middle and senior level executives. The company has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with IIM Nagpur for the financial year 2026-27. NALCO has been awarded the Raj Bhasha Gaurav Samman second prize for the year 2025-26 by Narakas Undertaking, Vishakhapatnam. The award recognizes NALCO Vishakhapatnam port facilities for its efforts toward the effective implementation and promotion of Raj Bhasha Hindi in its official work. In a major step towards securing India's supply of strategic raw materials, Engineers India Limited signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the CSIR, Institute of Minerals and Materials Technology, on July 23, 2026. BEML Limited has informed the stock exchanges that CARE Ratings Limited has reaffirmed the company's credit ratings on its bank facilities while withdrawing the rating assigned to its commercial paper issue. The Ministry of Railways has approved the entrustment of additional charge of the post of Director, Projects and Services at Container Corporation of India Limited (CONCOR) to Vijoy Kumar Singh, the company's Director, Infrastructure, Marketing and Operations. Karur Vaishya Bank reported a standalone net profit of 756 crore rupees for Q1 FY27, a sharp 45% surge from 521 crore rupees in the same quarter last year, Q1 FY26. Net interest income (NII) grew 32% year-on-year to 1,500 crore rupees, while net interest margin improved to 4.26%. Highway Infrastructure and EPC Infrastructure and Real Estate is pleased to announce that it has received a LOA valued at 28.69 crore rupees from NHAI for the operation and collection of user fees at the Koranjipatti Fee Plaza located on the Dindigul to Samayanallur section of NH44 in Tamil Nadu.